Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today we are going to open and unbox something brand new that Apple just announced a couple days ago. I already got my first item and it just arrived, and I'm going to unbox and show you guys what we got and what it looked like and everything else about this item. Now, before we start this video, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you don't miss upcoming unboxing video on this channel. Now, that's been said, let me show you guys. So this is the box right here. I just got from the FedEx. It came from Apple. So I'm sure you guys want to know what's in it. So let's open this box and take a look at it. So we're gonna open this box. So as you guys can see, this packaging, if looking at this packaging, it looked like something from Samsung. Samsung, that's how they ship the items when you pre-order from Samsung. But this year, it looked like Apple following the Samsung footprint. So this is the box. We're gonna take out this brown paper and set it right here. Put the box on the side. So we're gonna look inside this paper. So yeah, there you go. We got a new AirPod 2, the upgraded gen with the Type C, as we can see on the bottom of the box. So as you guys can see, the AirPod Pro 2nd gen with MagSafe charging case, USB-C. AirPod Pro 2nd gen is in a second language. So yeah, so this is the bottom of the box. As you guys can see, we got the two peel tab, one right here, one on the top, and then on the side you got the Apple logo, and front you got the AirPod. On the side you got a little bit of information about the AirPod, and right here it says AirPods Pro. So yeah, nothing else, just normal box. So let me see if I have the previous box laying around here somewhere. So we're gonna match the box. So I actually do have the previous one. So let me see if, so yeah. So this is the previous, from the last year. As you guys can see, AirPod Pro, and right there, the 2nd gen. So if we match the back, there you go. So only the different I see is the writing right here. You got the warning symbol right here, and then next to the USB you got, this is the new box. As you guys can see, it's still got the pull tab, and this is the previous one. So only this right here is different right there, and most likely, yeah, this is the new one, and this is the previous one. So if we look at on this side, so as you guys can see, not much different on this side, but we got, this is the SR, this is extra symbol compared to this one. So the text is like, these text right here, it got more text right here, but this one is just a barcode. And this is like, so that's the different span on this side, same symbol. And as we can see right here, same thing, AirPod Pro, and right here and the top, basically the same. So as you guys can see right there, we're gonna put this box on the side, and we're gonna open this box and look inside. And we're gonna compare, I do have the previous one right here. So we're gonna compare to these. So there's one, and there's the second tab, open up, and now we're gonna slide the box out. if I can get it. So then we are going to connect to my phone and see how there you go. You got the designed by Apple in California. We're gonna set this box on the side, and we're gonna look in this pocket, see what we got. So we got a quick guide right there, how to connect right there, and then you got the case information, then you got the tips information right there, and then you got the charging instruction. Same on so on this side you got the control instruction. Then you got right here how to, and then it tell you about the noise cancellation, spatial audio, and just a little bit about how to use it. So we're gonna put this right there. Then we got this little bit information about it, and there's a small little booklet tell you everything about the AirPods. You can read it on your own time. And there's another booklet, and that's all in the information. So now, as you guys can see, this one does not have any graving on it. So this one I got a custom graving on it. So we're gonna put this on the side right now, and we're gonna see what else comes in the box. So right there, and then you got the Q-tips for your ear. You can try out whatever work for you and fit in your ear, just like that. Close up, put it right there, and then you got the braided Type C to the Type C cable right there. Nice cable, I like it. So nothing else in the box, as you guys can see. Nothing else. We're gonna put the cable back, put the box right there, and now, as you guys can see, there is the AirPod itself. So we're gonna, there you go, peeling experience. So I think you have to rip it, or it came out. So good. So now, side by side, as you guys can see, not much different. I don't see anything other than my custom graving on it. So on the back side, as you guys can see right there, so about the same. There is the pairing button right there. You got right there. There's the writing on it. Same, nothing different. And the bottom, as you guys can see, you got the speaker, and then you got the mic right there. Same thing on the sides, exact same thing. Now this one have the linear loop right there, and this one as well. So same thing, exact same thing, nothing different. And if we check the height and width, as you guys can see, exact same thing, no different. And there you go. So we're gonna put the old one back, and we're gonna open up the first time. And now there's my iPhone 15 Pro Max. I have to work with this because I am going to pre-order a iPhone 16 Pro Max. I haven't picked a color yet. So if you want to help me to decide what color should I be ordering, which is in 2 days, pre-order opens. So let me know in the comments below what color out of the Pro Max I should order. So I haven't decided yet. So now we're gonna open up the first time. There you go. And let's see how fast they're gonna show up on my phone. So there you go. It show up on within seconds. So, but it just disappeared. So we're gonna close this and open up, and there you go. That's fast. So it says AirPod Pro connect. So we're gonna connect. So as you guys can see, it is connecting. So now this is the first time, like they announced on the Apple conference. So personalized volume, automatically adjust the volume of the media in response to your environment. So we're gonna turn this on. So as you guys see the conversation awareness. When you start speaking, AirPod Pro will lower media volume, recording background noise, and ensure the voice in front of you. So we're gonna, when I start speaking, so we're gonna do that. So as you guys can see, out of the box, the case battery is at 65% and the both of the AirPod at 34%. So we're gonna hit done. So as of right now, if I take it out of the box and replace it in my ear, as you guys can see right there, it got connected. So so as of right now, there you go. It is connected to my phone, and we're gonna 3D touch. So you got the noise cancellation, noise control, transparency. So if you click on that, you got, and then you got these controls adapted, and then a noise cancellation. So we're gonna go back, and then you got the conversation awareness, and then you got the spatial audio, not playing. So when you play something, and then you it will light up. So yeah, so this is the AirPod Pro. I just wanted to make a quick video and bring it out to you guys so you guys can decide if you guys need to buy it or you guys should work with this, because all the new feature that on this, it will be on this one as well. So and now it's up to you. If you already own this pair before, I don't think you need to spend more money to upgrade. I just wanted to buy and check and let you guys know what do you guys think, and let you guys make a decision if you guys are worth spending more money. But yeah, I will be checking the battery life, and also I'm gonna use it for a week or so, and then I will be making a follow-up video what I think about this, what I think about the audio, and everything overall. I'm gonna be making a video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and so that way you don't miss my follow-up video. And that's all for right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.